How to schedule tasks in LinkedIn. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure to schedule task in LinkedIn. To schedule task or post on LinkedIn, you would create a post content, then click the clock icon. So all you need to do is open the LinkedIn app, click the plus button at the center, and then add in the image that you want to go ahead and upload it. So let's see, this is the one. After you've actually done it, so click the next button, and you could have these clock icon at the top of the page or the top right next to click. Now you could select a date and then the time as well, and tap on the next button, and accordingly it's going to be scheduled to your account. So this is how you could schedule tasks in LinkedIn. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And for some reason, if you cannot find these options, then it means that you have to update your app to the latest version, or the following feature is not available in your region. So you have to understand that as well, that not all these or not everything is possible in all parts of the world. So you need to understand that. So that's it.